Today, we're diving into medical careers and the scholarships that can make them possible. If you dream of working in medicine but worry about tuition, this video is for you. Let's break down top healthcare paths and the scholarships that can help you get there. And let's start with doctors, leaders in patient care, advocates for their patients, and pillars of their communities. Doctors are more than just medical professionals. They are trusted advisors, educators, and often the first line of defense when it comes to health and wellness. Their work goes far beyond diagnosing illnesses. They listen to patients' concerns, provide comfort during difficult times, and help families navigate complex medical decisions. Every day, doctors make a difference in the lives of individuals and entire communities, using their expertise and compassion to improve health outcomes and inspire hope. The core responsibilities of a doctor include careful diagnosis, thoughtful treatment planning, and ongoing management of patient health. They use their knowledge and skills to identify symptoms, interpret test results, and recommend the best course of action for each unique case. Whether it's a routine checkup or a complex medical emergency, doctors are trained to respond with precision and empathy, ensuring that every patient receives the highest standard of care. But becoming a doctor requires years of rigorous education and training, which can be financially overwhelming. Medical school tuition, fees, and living expenses add up quickly, often leaving students with significant debt. That's where the National Health Service Corps Scholarship Program comes in. This program is designed to support aspiring doctors by covering the full cost of tuition, mandatory fees, and even providing a monthly stipend for living expenses. It's a life-changing opportunity for students who are passionate about medicine but concerned about the financial burden. In exchange for this generous support, scholarship recipients commit to serving in communities that need them most, places where access to healthcare is limited and doctors can make a profound impact. These are often rural or underserved urban areas where medical professionals are in short supply. By working in these settings, doctors not only fulfill their service obligation but also gain invaluable experience, develop cultural competence, and build lasting relationships with patients who truly rely on their care. The NHSC scholarship allows you to focus on your studies without the constant worry of debt. It gives you the freedom to choose your medical specialty based on your interests and passion, rather than financial pressures. Whether you're drawn to family medicine, pediatrics, internal medicine, or another primary care field, this scholarship empowers you to pursue your calling and make a difference where it's needed most. The application process for the NHSC scholarship is highly competitive. To stand out, it's important to highlight your dedication to primary care, your commitment to serving underserved populations, and your long-term goals as a healthcare provider. Share your experiences volunteering, working in community health, or advocating for health equity. Demonstrate your resilience, leadership, and passion for making a positive impact in the world of medicine. Doctors rarely work alone. They are part of dynamic healthcare teams, collaborating with nurses, pharmacists, social workers, and other professionals to deliver comprehensive care. This teamwork requires strong communication skills, adaptability, and a commitment to lifelong learning. Medicine is constantly evolving, and doctors must stay up to date with the latest research, treatments, and technologies to provide the best possible care for their patients. If you're driven to serve, eager to lead, and passionate about making a difference, the NHSC scholarship could be your gateway to a rewarding career in medicine. Start your research early. Learn about the program's requirements, deadlines, and expectations. Prepare your application thoughtfully and seek out mentors who can guide you through the process. Connecting with past scholarship recipients can provide valuable insights and tips for success. They can share their experiences, offer advice on the application process, and help you understand what it's really like to serve in an underserved community. Building these relationships can strengthen your application and prepare you for the journey ahead. Remember, programs like the National Health Service Corps Scholarship make the dream of becoming a physician more accessible to students from all backgrounds. By supporting your education and encouraging service, the NHSC helps shape the next generation of compassionate, skilled, and dedicated doctors who will lead the way in improving healthcare for everyone. Nurses are the backbone of healthcare, serving as the vital link between patients and the complex world of medicine. Every day they bring compassion, expertise, and resilience to the front lines, ensuring that people receive not just medical treatment, but also emotional support and understanding. Whether it's a bustling emergency room or a quiet rural clinic, nurses are there, listening, advocating, and caring for those in need. Providing essential care and support, nurses are often the first to notice subtle changes in a patient's condition, acting quickly to ensure the best possible outcomes. Their dedication goes beyond administering medication or checking vital signs. They offer a comforting presence, a reassuring word, and a steady hand during life's most vulnerable moments. For those inspired to join this noble profession, the Nurse Corps Scholarship Program is a life-changing opportunity. This program covers full tuition, mandatory fees, and even provides a monthly living stipend, removing the financial barriers that often stand in the way of aspiring nurses. It's designed to support students from all backgrounds, making nursing education accessible and achievable. In exchange for this support, scholarship recipients commit to working in critical shortage facilities after graduation. These are places where skilled nurses are needed most: rural hospitals, urban clinics, and community health centers. Here, you'll gain invaluable hands-on experience, develop your clinical skills, and make a real difference in the lives of patients who rely on your care. Nurses adapt quickly, think on their feet, and form deep bonds with patients and their families. They are problem solvers, educators, and advocates, often working long hours to ensure every patient receives the best care possible. The relationships they build and the lives they touch are at the heart of what makes nursing so rewarding. The demand for skilled nurses continues to grow, and the Nurse Corps Scholarship Program guarantees meaningful employment in areas where your skills are truly needed. Not only does this program help you launch your career, but it also connects you with a network of dedicated professionals and mentors who will support your growth. If you're considering applying, start your application early and take the time to showcase your passion for nursing and your commitment to serving communities in need. Highlight your experiences, your goals, and the unique perspective you bring to the field. Remember, this is more than just a scholarship. It's a chance to make a lasting impact. With the right scholarship, you can launch your nursing career debt-free and full of purpose, ready to serve where you're needed most. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards, both personal and professional, are immeasurable. Take the first step toward a future where you can truly make a difference, one patient at a time. Pharmacists are medication experts and key healthcare team members. Pharmacy school is rigorous, but the American Pharmacists Association Foundation scholarships can help with costs. These scholarships reward academic excellence, leadership, and commitment to the field. Pharmacists play a growing role in public health and patient education. Networking and mentorship are crucial. Use them to find the right scholarship fit. If you're detail-oriented and passionate about science, pharmacy could be for you. Scholarships can make your pharmacy journey possible. Physician assistants, or PAs, are vital members of the healthcare team. They diagnose illnesses, develop and manage treatment plans, prescribe medications, and often serve as a patient's principal healthcare provider. Working closely with doctors, PAs perform a wide range of medical procedures, from suturing wounds to assisting in surgeries. Their ability to bridge the gap between patients and physicians ensures that care is both accessible and comprehensive, especially in busy clinics and hospitals where every moment counts. The journey to becoming a PA is both challenging and rewarding. It requires rigorous academic coursework, hands-on clinical rotations, and a deep commitment to learning. PA students spend countless hours in classrooms, labs, and hospitals, mastering the skills needed to provide high-quality care. However, this intensive training comes at a significant financial cost, with tuition, books, and living expenses adding up quickly. For many aspiring PAs, these costs can be a major barrier to pursuing their dreams. That's where the PA Foundation scholarships make a real difference. These scholarships are designed to support students who not only excel academically, but also demonstrate leadership, compassion, and a true dedication to patient care. By providing financial assistance, the PA Foundation helps ensure that talented, driven individuals from all backgrounds have the opportunity to become PAs and serve their communities. As a PA, you'll enjoy a unique blend of autonomy and collaboration. PAs are trusted to make important medical decisions, consult with patients independently, and work as integral members of multidisciplinary healthcare teams. The profession is rapidly growing, offering strong job prospects and the chance to make a meaningful impact in a variety of medical settings, from primary care to surgery, emergency medicine, and beyond. When applying for scholarships, it's important to highlight your volunteer work and service to others. The PA Foundation values applicants who go beyond academics to give back to their communities, whether through free clinics, health education, or outreach programs. These experiences not only strengthen your application, but also shape you into a compassionate, well-rounded healthcare provider. Receiving a scholarship allows you to focus on what truly matters, developing your clinical skills, building leadership abilities, and making a difference in patients' lives. With less financial stress, you can dedicate more time to learning, growing, and preparing for a successful career as a PA. If you're passionate about hands-on patient care, eager to expand your medical knowledge, and ready to serve your community, a career as a physician assistant could be your calling. And with the support of PA Foundation scholarships, your path to making a difference is more accessible than ever. Medical laboratory technicians are vital, running tests that guide diagnoses and treatments. Training is shorter than med school, but costs add up. ASCLs. Scholarships support students excelling in lab science. MLTs work in hospitals, clinics, and research labs, making a direct impact behind the scenes. Highlight academic achievements and healthcare involvement in your application. Demand for lab techs is strong, especially with new diagnostic technologies. Scholarships help you invest in your skills and launch your lab career. Radiologic technologists use imaging to help diagnose and treat patients. Accredited programs require both classroom and clinical training. ASRT Foundation. Scholarships help cover tuition and professional development. Radiologic technologists need technical skills and patient care expertise. Show your dedication to medical imaging and patient care in your application. The field is evolving. Scholarships help you stay current and competitive. If you love technology and helping people, this could be your path. Physical therapists help patients recover, manage pain, and regain mobility. Earning a DPT degree is a big investment, but APTA scholarships can help. These scholarships reward leadership, community involvement, and academic excellence. PTs work in diverse settings, from hospitals to sports teams. Share stories of community impact in your application. Scholarships let you pursue specialized training and stand out in the field. If you're passionate about movement and wellness, PT could be your dream career, with scholarships to support you. There's a world of medical careers out there, each with unique rewards. Scholarships can make your journey affordable and achievable. Research your options, prepare strong applications, and seek advice from mentors. Your dream healthcare career is within reach. Thanks for watching, and good luck.